2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, security system, electronic stability control, compass, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, front reading lamps, power driver's seat. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.